Hello, my name is Eunice Lopez and welcome to the Keys YouTube channel. Today's story is by Eric Carle, one of my favorites, my very first book of shapes. So what I like about this book is that it allows children to be active participants in the storytelling process. So as you read the story and the book and its contents, you allow children to help you turn the pages and find the shapes. So the book gives you some really quick instructions. It tells you the name of the shape, and then it says pick a shape on the top page, then match the shape with a picture on the bottom page. Let's try it. So you have a kite, you have a teepee, and you talk about the differences because we're looking for a circle. You have an eye, you have a picture frame, a half of a watermelon. We have a moon. We have a ladybug, a part of a train, a worm, the sun. The sun is a circle, and so you allow children to pinpoint and turn the pages and see the differences, so it helps with language and cognition. Brings in some new vocabulary words as well, because you have semicircle, you have your square, squiggle, it's a new word, triangle, dome, that's definitely a new word for our young toddlers, almond, almond-shaped almond, diamond, rectangle, crescent, that's a new word as well. So I really love this book. It will not only engage our young toddlers, but I think you could even bring it into your older toddlers and talk about those new vocabulary words, and then tie this book into other learning experiences throughout the classroom and every other learning centers, right? You can have the specific shapes that you talked about here, have them available in the block center and manipulatives. Absolutely bring it into your creative arts center and have them create either with Play-Doh, have different kind of shapes available for them to maybe create a collage, maybe have some magazines and have them point out specific shapes that you talked about in the book. So I encourage you to find this book, my very first book of shapes, and you can read it to your infants, toddlers, older toddlers, and I would even encourage it to our our young preschoolers. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.